high.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, Holmes County, and at 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located in National
Yo, I on the
urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, Holmes County in northeast Nashville, Lawrenceburg, Farmerstown, Mount Hope, and Charm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes and Knox. A confused view of roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes and Knox.
Holmes and Knox. 1.1 WRMU.
Tuesday morning until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Eagle Creek at Phalanx Station. When? From Tuesday morning until further notice. Impacts at 11.0 feet, Barclay Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Knowlton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details at 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. The stage was 8.6 feet. Thankful stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning and continue rising to a crest of 12.0 feet early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 12.0 feet on July 18, 2021. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Okay, they're not. Okay.
The forecast for northeast inland Ohio.
Blackout hours, Cleveland.
Rest of tonight.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test. Oh, good.
This evening. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. The forecast for Cleveland. 13.0 feet. Flooding occurs in lying areas along the river from Island to Franklin Flats. Additional details at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The stage was 17.6 feet. Thankful stage is 14.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 18.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. In East Central Ohio, Monroe County in East Central Ohio, Muskegon County in East Central Ohio, Noble County in East Central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in East Central Ohio, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio, County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, morning rainfall in West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio, County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 9:40 West Virginia, Ohio, County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:50.
Now, right? Like so. Now, these guys
Is possible in the Warren area and could lead to flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 286-95 urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Whitten. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Uricksville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville. The Warren area and could lead to flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban.
much. No. I'm already.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nate Minter. My team and I...
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
and early.
weather message for the following county: Licking, Ohio. Tornado Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 81, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 81 has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 81 has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
The next
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County in central Ohio, northern Fairfield County in central Ohio, northern Pickaway County in central Ohio, southwestern Licking County in central Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near South Bloomfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. It hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Course, radar indicated. In fact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power. Grove City, Gardner, Islington, Leslie, Heath, Granville, Pawtucket, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Hospital, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, South Bloomfield, Willisport, and Foldenville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 132. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 109. Only protection means an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/. Don't submit your report via social media, when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Licking, Ohio. Until 9 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harper Hills to near Thornport to near Pleasantville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Licking, Ohio.
Your hearing system. California.
Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Licking County in central Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm
as you
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations infected include Heath, Gratiot, Brownsville, and Caboso. This includes the 7 in Ohio between mile markers 133 and 122 and near mile marker 144. Thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
playing and it's kind of crazy to say. I heard a song.
Northeastern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I loved it. Babies.
Yeah, we are.
Is it? Five.
Ray.
Oh, 1 and
Take 12.
Durant.
Okay. Office.
Locations impacted include Cadiz, Freeport, Hopital, Seal, Jewett, Bernals, Amsterdam. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio. Please report severe weather by 62-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. Until Thursday evening. Impact 11.0 feet.
Break.
Yes, the thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. Thankful stage 8.0. Activity. The River Station. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Wisconsin County in east central Ohio, northeastern Washington County in east central Ohio, south central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, north central Noble County in east central
And and go and get
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Wisconsin County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskegon County in east central Ohio, south central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, north central Noble County in east central Ohio.
Hundreds of
Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dresden to North Zanesville to South Zanesville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cambridge, New Comerstown, New Concord, Gesville, Antrim, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Conesville, Lower City, Old Washington, Plainfield, Norwich, Chandlersville, Otsego, Vermont. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been... Urgent weather message for the following county, Tuscarawas, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskegon County in east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Tell a friend.
Whatever.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near North Zanesville, or near Adamsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Told me.
Tornado was located near North Zanesville, or near Adamsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris.
Both covering.
Will be near New Concord around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cambridge around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lower City, Salt Fork State Park, Bowdoin.
Armpit. You got.
Has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskegon County in east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9:30 p.m.
What I... Sunday. I'm doing fine.
This is bad.
Chat. I can't.
Listening to Caleb and to be obvious.
You may hurt your...
60-day money back. Yeah.
This dangerous storm will be near New Concord around 8:50 p.m. Cambridge around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lower City, Salt Fork State Park, Bowdoin, Norwich, Old Washington, Otsego, Bolton, and Birmingham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Coshocton, Guernsey, Muskegon, and Tuscarawas.
1 minute of encouragement.
Southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio.
This is a flash flood warning.
When it...
But of course, all love thee in death.
Arts. Action. You like.
With
See ya. You know.
Intact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Whidden, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Uricksville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Warwood, and Wellsburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. An urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscaloosa. A flash flood warning. For the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong and Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Moreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Southern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania. Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Southern Clarion County, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3
To back this. Teaching.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and
Cleveland.
small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills. Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage. Selected a resource.
bring them
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township,
Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moontown.
Flash flood warning. Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Carroll County and East Central Ohio, Columbia County and East Central Ohio, Allegheny County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland Central Pennsylvania, Central Pennsylvania, Southern Clarion County and West Central Pennsylvania, Indiana County in West Central Pennsylvania, Beaver County in Western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in Western Pennsylvania, until 3:45 a.m. At 9:51 p.m. Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding due to Pittsburgh, Liverpool and Uniontown. Turn around, don't drown when encountering a flooded road. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. I just won a case in the Federal Court of Appeals, and now before